the channel in Biology. Presents. How to help a cat cough up a hairball. Hairballs are a relatively common problem in cats. Though typically your cat should only bring up one a week or so. If your cat seems to be having trouble with a hairball, you can try a home remedy, such as a hairball paste or even petroleum jelly. However, if your cat is exhibiting signs of digestive blockage, you should consult a vet. Also, sometimes cats with asthma can seem like they're hacking up a hairball. So if you think this may be the issue, take your cat to the vet for a diagnosis.